What are Norwegian forest cats? Norwegian forest cats are large and hardy. The long-haired breed is known for its thick fur. Their name can be shortened to Ouija. It sounds like Ouija. In Norway, the cats are called skukat. This means forest cat in Norwegian. History of Norwegian forest cats. Ouijas are the official cat of Norway. They have lived in cold Norwegian lands for hundreds of years. The cats may have first come to North America with Vikings in the early 1000s. They traveled with Vikings and hunted mice on their ships. In 1979, the first pair of modern Ouijas came to the United States. The breed is a favorite among cat lovers today. Hair everywhere. Ouijas have a lot of hair. Soft ruffs surround their triangle-shaped heads. Tufts of long fur grow from their ears and feet. Their tails are big and fluffy. Their coats are often tabby or tortoiseshell. Some have solid coats. Once a year, Ouijas lose their undercoat. Then their fur is thinner for summer. Watchful and calm. Ouijas have strong bodies. They are good climbers and like to be up high. They watch people and other animals from above. Norwegian forest cats adapt well to change. They are calm and not easily bothered. This makes them excellent cats for families with young children.